です。多分 YouTube に行ったと思うんだけど。なるほど。このなんかわやわやみたいなのはどうしようもないんかな。Zoom のウィンドウを表示するように設定しました。なのでなんか一人一人のね、グリッドみたいなのも出てほしいんだけど、それは出てないの。なんか仮のなんか出しときます。スライド球作りにして。ああ、それでお願いします。どうしようかな。あ、そうか。ちょっと待って。とすれば、いろいろと変えます。共有、表示部分ちょっと変えていいですかね。と、そうか。画面キャプチャーにした方がいいな。こっちか。こっちのがいいんじゃないか。わあ。こっちのが出てません？そうですね。ちょっと今怪しいことになっている。だから。ね、トレロ出てんの？ちっこくならんのだが、あ、こうか。あ、いけたいけた。これでどうだ？よし、これでいける。はい。全員ミュートにしますよ。全員というか、え喋らなくていい人はミュートにします。大きくしよう。うん。あ、間違った。うい。 秋山さん、これ1チーム1人じゃなくても数人だったら大丈夫ですよね。チームリーダー以外でも。
別に何人でも
一応言っときます。はい。
なるんですか？
いや、リーダー以外入ったらいかんのかみたいな思ってる人いるかもと。
いやいや、入ったらいいと思うんですけど、
ね。
そんなことは一言も言ってないはずなので、
名前的にチームリーダーズなので、もしかしたら。
言ってきませんか？
はい。スラック
始めます。
はい、お願いします。
Okay, it's time to start with the first team leader meeting. Uh, uh,
欢迎老陈把这麻烦采访我，我把谁实现这个声音。
Okay, at first, I plan the schedule of this competition. Then, the how to go to the game and find about the explanation about the loading and another challenge we will have another competition named another challenge. And as you may receive the announcement, we will take each action during the competition. If you want to come as technical committee, please submit the form. And finally, we take the voting for the first seeding round. This year, in the main competition of the 2D League, we will have 3 separate rounds. At first, we will have 4 round robin games with 4 groups. The first round is seeding round. The top 4 teams from the last World Championship will be seeded to each group, and the rest of teams are randomly assigned to each group. Then the next 3 groups, the first, second, third round will be taken according to the result of the previous round. Then we will take the second round robin game. This is the 2 round robin games with 2 groups. The first group consists of top 8 teams ranked by the average points from previous 3 rounds. First, second, and third round. The second group is consists of the rest of 8 teams. And finally, we will take the separate tournament. All teams are tentatively ranked by these 2 round robin games. then we'll get the final tournament by the style of step ladder tournament. Finally, the top 3 teams will be given the certificate and trophy. Tomorrow we will take seeding round and first round, and we are planning to do the short team leader meeting. 中島先生、これやるんですか？
どれ？ショーチームリーダー、いや、ごめんなさい、いつのこと？
And the day after tomorrow, we will have a second round and third round. And also, we will have a senior meeting for roadmap discussion and TC selection. The first 3 days and the third day, we will take main round. The final day is the final. In the final day, we will take final round. Another challenge will be taken for taking 3 days. We are planning to broadcast all games in the main competition to YouTube Live. The scheduled links have already been listed in the information box. You can find the links. And the live streaming will also be available in Jakarta, hopefully. We are planning to broadcast all games in one live stream. We will broadcast only one live stream. So, 2 commentators in one screen during the round robin game. We will have 2 parallel games in the round robin game. In the final day, one commentator for the final, only one commentator will be displayed in the live stream. We also use the Zoom meeting to share the games and to communicate among us. You can watch the game on the Zoom meeting as well as YouTube Live, but the participation is not mandatory. Maybe the Zoom meeting, the delay of Zoom meeting is lesser than YouTube. If you want to watch the game in real time, during the Zoom meeting. And the raw files will be available after all scheduled games for each day. After finishing all games, the link to the logo file will be announced on the Slack web page. About binary uploading, teams are only allowed to update the binary until 7:30 a.m. GMT every day. The upload permission will be automatically stopped at that time. Please upload the binary at that time. During the game, you cannot update the binary. After the scheduled game for each day, you can allow to update their binary again. The game will be started after checking the in binary. So if we smoothly the team finally will start the first game at 8 a.m. UTC. If the team does not work, the previous version of the team binary will be used. And if please do not change your name in the class workspace because this may cause a problem for uploading your team binary. And you have another competition in this year, the name is Anonymous Challenge. In this competition, opponent team names in the server message are replaced with a fixed string. So, and all teams automatically participate in this challenge. And please note, the team binary for the first day will be used for this challenge competition. And one round robin game with all teams will be taken. So we will have a much number of games. So we will run this round robin game in 3 days. If your team binary supports server sync mode, please enable it. This setting will help the organization of this challenge. Teams are ranked by points of downloading games, and the top 2 teams will be given certificates and trophies. We need to select 2 technical committee members. The term of technical committee is 1 year, and the technical committee is responsible to establish the league's rule and to discuss the league's future direction. So you can propose a new rule or new features in the soccer simulator or this league. But if you propose the new rule and the new rule requires a new code, you may need to provide a detailed specification or draft of implementation. We will take a DC selection at 2 p.m. 26. So before the election, candidate must get 2 supporters, then submit the form. You can find the form in the information board. Each candidate has 5 minutes speech in the team leader meeting. Then all team leaders will take a vote from all team leaders. Okay, so we'll start with the drawing for the first seeding round. 高島先生の画面にしますか？
はい、共有しますね。Okay, hello, I'm Tomoharu Nakashima. I'm gonna share my window. Which one is it? This is the one, I think. Hi. Can you see the window? This is not the drawing. This is for the drawing. So in the drawing process, we excuse me, we have selected 4 top teams according to the result of the last year's competition, and which are Helios, Cyrus, Yushan, and MT. these four teams are seeded, so it should be distributed. They should be distributed to different groups. So first, I'm gonna decide the groups of these four teams. How can I decide the group? So I use this one. Here is the grouping procedure. I'm gonna
Tomaru,
yes.
Sebastian, I think you share another screen. I right now I see a schedule overview on my from your share. Did everybody see?
Okay.
I don't see actually what you are doing now. It's
Sorry.
shared a document with the schedule overview from
Really sorry.
Google Doc.
Yeah, the other another screen. あれあれI think. How about this? Is
Okay,
it?
now see. It's okay.
Okay. Really sorry about that.
No problem. Okay.
So I'm gonna
Can
put.
you a little bit zoom in? A
Yeah.
little bit. Yeah, it's
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna move on. Continue. I'm gonna put a random key, which is a random value from 0 to 1, and then sort these cells, and then group is determined associated to the rows. Okay, any questions? Or if any of these teams want to change the position, please let me know. I can swap any two teams of them. Are you fine with them? So let's put the random key here. So these are the random keys, and I'm gonna sort these cells according to the random key in the ascending order. Right. The CBAD are copied to here. Okay, these are the seeded teams groups. And I'm gonna repeat this process for the other 12 teams. For this one, in another tab, there are 12 teams here, and I'm gonna do the same thing, same procedure. I'm gonna put the random keys here and sort this. Okay. Any of your teams want to change the position now? Okay. Are you fine? Yes. Then I will start. Random keys. And sort them out. Random key. Sort. And I'm gonna copy these cells and paste here. All right. So, can I sort this one first? By group. Right. Yes. Here they are. So these are the groups. Any questions? And so now our team, one staff of our team is copying the team name in the information board. So if you look at the information board, I think, it's already here. How can I help him? B, group B. Hi. Hi. So let's wait for him working.
I can see you copied wrongly copied third. Yeah.
This one.
Alice is in group C and you copy it in group B. Previous selection was hash H, but IT Android and Alice, but Alice should be copied in group C.
Group C.
On the main board, yeah. It's also in group B. If you look exactly.
Like this.
You should delete this and put the other team from the board.
Okay. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah.
You just wrongly copy that team name
All right.
from the sheet.
Maybe I shouldn't have worked for that. And there are 3 teams in Group A right now in the information board. So the last one would be Astras 2D.
We played twice against Astras.
Yeah, three Astrases right now. Teammate, not teammate, Group A. This one, Astrases. なんでこれこうなってんの?
I think I have seen that, but the name was Fion. It's not Fion. It's something with a P in the first draw. Can you show all the participating teams in the window? It was Persepolis.
Persepolis, this one.
Yeah. But I don't know where it disappeared.
We can check the episode of YouTube.
No, I certainly seen in Group A Persepolis, but I know maybe a wrong copy with Austra's over Persepolis was done.
Yeah, one of the Astras should be Persepolis. And but I'm not sure. Can I undo now?
Maybe.
Because I have just finished sorted. So
Yeah. Austras.
Osas and Oxy, Osas and Persepolis.
One more undo will be done. Or
one more. So Persepolis was not in the list right now, so I don't know what's going on, but 1, 2. How many teams are there right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right?
it's okay, but
This one should
One
be
of the-
Astras.
yeah.
This one should be Persepolis, and it's A. So
Yeah, but I'm sure that I have seen its name. Maybe if we have a look on the
Yeah.
later on the recording.
yeah, okay. So I think this grouping is fine. Yeah, okay. I think it's sorted out. Any question or any doubt over the procedure? You can send us the comment in the chat window if you want. Any comment or question or objection? How can I see that? I don't know. Chat. I see 3. Yeah. Okay. これね。There's no difference for change. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, this will not affect. It was only one mistake, so it's clear that one Austras was Persepolis, so it's no, it doesn't matter.
That's right. Okay, so I think it's all set. So yes, it's copied in the seeding rounds tables. Yeah. So we know the groups now. So that's the end of the drawing. Thank you very much. Back to you, Akiyama-san.
We will start the first game tomorrow. Please prepare your binary before the big line of when I upload the big line. The competition system is mainly maintained by Tatsuya Fukushima and they thanks to him. So if you have some problem, please ask in the help desk channel. But during the night in Japan, we cannot reply to your question. Please wait for a while in that case. And please what to do. If there are any question or comment. Okay, we finish the team leader meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good matches.
Have a good day, everybody.
Yeah.
Hello, tomorrow.
Yes.
This is Nader. I have a question about rules of tournament. Third rule of forfeit list.
You, excuse me, you want to know what?
The third rule of forfeit rules.
トピック
Yeah.
ごめんなさい、なんて言ったの？
フォーフェイトルールだと思います。トーナメントルール、ジェネラルトーナメントルールの
Yes, yes, exactly. That's the third one.
ごめん、日本語も聞こえてないんだけど、
トーナメントルールのドキュメントの中に、
はい。
ジェネラルトーナメントルールセクションがあって、その中にフォーフェイトルールというセクションがさらに、
あ、はいはい。
そのことだと思うんですけど。
これがわからないってこと？
なら、what is your question?
Yeah, my question is that what should we do when there is a set play free kick in our penalty area very close to the goal?
Sebastian, do you know the answer to that question?
I'm just looking to the third rule, and it said it if a team violates gentlemanly rules, so plays too many static defenders in front of the goal, then the score is assigned with 30-0 to the opponent, but the offending team is not disqualified from the competition. I think this is something we should decide at the moment. Manually, I don't know, it's something, it's not automatically detected, I think, this one.
Yes, I know. But my question is that, for example, if there is a set play free kick in our penalty area and when the ball is very close to the goal, so what should we do? We should open a big angle, or no? Players should stay on the line of goal.
I'm not sure this rule is about the new feature added in the soccer simulation, or is just something like, let's say, gentlemanly rules.
Yes. So
to discuss to define the so
it's very subjective one. So if all teams play fairly, we don't have to consider about this one at all. So I think you don't have to do any special things for these rules.
For set play. Yeah, Ronaldo?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, that's good. Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, thank you so much for everything.
Okay. Right. So I will close the Zoom session. Wait. If I have one question, there are a schedule of each game. For example, Australia. We don't know the exact schedule for the detail. We know the first game will be after some time.
I think the schedule is determined just before the starting each group. So after starting the group, we can display the list, the schedule of the game in that group.
Yeah, maybe we will know the order of play just before the tournament starts, so we can guess the time. Is that okay? Yeah. Any other questions from all of you? Okay, then I will close the Zoom session. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. YouTube も切らないとね。